Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to calculate loan EMI in Microsoft Excel. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So this is our loan amount. This is the interest rate on the loan, and this is the 5 years basically for which we will basically we have to return the loan in five years. Okay, so first of all we will basically calculate the monthly interest rate by dividing our interest rate basically by 12 months. Okay, so in this cell I will just enter this formula here, equal to, and then I will select basically this one, A2, and divided by 12, and this is our monthly interest rate. Okay, and now we have to calculate total number of months here. Okay, for which we have to pay the interest rate. So in this cell A5 I will use this formula, equal to, and then we have 5 years, so 5 basically multiply by 12 here, and then here we go. So we will have like 60 months here basically. And now to basically calculate the loan EMI here, we will use this formula, equal to PMT, and then we will this one, and then this one, and then minus A1 here, and then close this, and here you go basically. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.